So I'm Kate Saget, and I am the teacher of drone science currently. Yeah, it's pretty much like a basic intro to aviation. And we use drones as the medium because obviously flying an airplane is pretty expensive. So you'll learn the basic stuff of aviation. We cover weather, we cover reading sectional charts, we cover basic aerodynamics, we cover the rules of flying a drone. So when you go out and fly the drone, for example, like, are you flying in a place that's actually legal to do so? So the kids learn all about that. And then they have the opportunity to go get their remote pilot's license in the end if they choose to do so. Actually, freshmen have to take a course before mine, so they actually have to take an electronics course. But the expectations for a freshman is to pretty much figure out if they want to pursue a career in aviation. So we do talk a lot about different pathways in aviation. Maybe they want to become a pilot, maybe they want to be an air traffic controller, maybe they want to be like a drone engineer, things like that. Oh man, we are the only people in Douglas County that actually have like this course. So we do have kids coming from other schools to take it, which is really cool. And it's just, that's really what sets us apart. We're the only one that has it. So you gotta come to Ranch to take it because we're the best, we're the Falcons.